Merry Christmas from this naked beach in Ayia Napa in Cyprus. Look at that. This is absolutely amazing. So this is my first beach adventure of today, 25th of December, Christmas Day. So this beach is located 5 kilometers from the hotel I'm staying in Ayia Napa, and I have visited this same naked beach back in September, 1st of September, when I was out exploring the beaches of Ayia Napa during my 1-week vacation. So now in winter I'm here for 2 weeks and exploring some of the best spots, as this beach got the second most views on my channel from summer. So let's see if this episode from when it's middle of the day, as it is right now 12 o'clock exactly, can get more views. But as it is off season, there is nobody here, and this naked beach is just right around the corner from the public beach that's called Ammos Kambouri. That's a very nice beach also, and there were few people there today, as you can see at the beginning of this video. So I'm really happy to explore this beautiful place once again, as I'm actually on my way to the Blue Lagoon, and I'm halfway through, as there are 5 kilometers left to the Blue Lagoon here, and there is one other nudist beach close by that I might visit later as well. So yeah, as I mentioned, 25th of December, it is 21 degrees Celsius in the air and 20 degrees Celsius in the water. So let's then get ready for the first beach adventure of the day on my channel. And this is day 5 of my 2-week vacation during Christmas and New Year's holidays here in Cyprus. And I remember well that this naked beach has quite of a tough entrance to the sea, as most of the nudist beaches have actually, as they are mostly remote and secluded. But we're gonna make it work anyway, believe me. I already know this terrain, and hopefully there are no more sea urchins here. There are a bit of waves that will make our adventure more tough, but that's okay. Enjoy this beautiful view of the sea and the waves crashing against the rocks, and you can see Ayia Napa in the distance. Still walking. Bear with me, please. So yeah, wonderful weather for 25th of December, as I heard it was minus 10 degrees Celsius in Stockholm, where I live. So I wouldn't mind to change that minus 10 with plus 20. So that's 30 degrees difference in warmth. All right, I think we are approaching towards the point where we can take a swim. Actually, oh my god, look at that. Oh, whoa, 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 that's dangerous. That is dangerous. So what am I doing? Woo! That is a dangerous way to get into the water. Let's see. All right, we continue to go. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. We can see also the parts of the public beach from here. Look at the waves crashing in here. Amazing. Let's be careful. Woo! Amazing. Oh my god. Let's be super careful now. Super careful. Okay. I'm just waiting for the waves to be a little bit calmer. All right, here we go. Ooh, no, 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 no. Okay. False alarm. All right, let's go. In 3, 2, 1. Now that's an adventure for sure. So that's definitely a bit adventure, as this is very dangerous to get in here with these kind of waves. But I made it through! So greetings from this beautiful naked beach in Ayia Napa, Cyprus. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!